If you're looking to rank higher on Upwork, Fiverr, and similar platforms, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll share simple but effective strategies to help you stand out and climb the rankings. First, let's talk about your profile. Whether you're on Upwork, Fiverr, or another platform, your profile is everything. Make sure your profile picture is professional, clear, and welcoming. Your bio should be concise but compelling. Highlight your strengths and experience, but tailor it to what clients are looking for. Don't just tell them what you do, show them why you're the right person for the job. Use relevant keywords in your bio that align with the services you offer and the search terms clients are using. Next, focus on your gig or service title. This is where you need to be strategic with your keywords. Look at what the top performers in your category are using and try to replicate their success, but make sure to stand out in your own way. Your title should be clear and to the point, telling potential clients exactly what you do and why they should hire you. Now let's talk about the importance of client reviews. The more positive reviews you get, the more likely you are to rank higher. But don't just wait for them to come in naturally, ask for them. After completing a job, politely ask your clients to leave a review. And remember, always provide top-notch service so your clients feel compelled to leave great feedback. Another key to ranking higher is your response rate. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr reward freelancers who are responsive. Make sure you reply to messages quickly, even if it's just to let the client know you'll get back to them soon. Quick response times help build trust with potential clients and increase your chances of getting hired, which in turn can improve your ranking. For a more technical approach, let's talk about SEO. Optimize your gig or service description. Include relevant keywords that potential clients would search for. For example, if you're offering graphic design services, use phrases like logo design, branding, and graphic design for businesses. Don't overstuff your descriptions, but make sure your primary keywords are naturally included. This helps the platform's algorithm understand what you offer and match you with the right clients. Lastly, let's discuss using the platform's paid promotion options. Both Upwork and Fiverr allow you to promote your services for a fee. This can boost your visibility and help you land more jobs, which can improve your rankings. Just be careful with your budget and monitor the results to ensure you're getting a good return on investment. The key takeaway here is that to rank higher on Upwork, Fiverr, and similar platforms, you need to optimize your profile, use the right keywords, get great reviews, respond quickly, and consider using paid promotions. Consistency is key, and making these small tweaks can make a big difference in your rankings. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to an exclusive free trial of the software we use to help with some of these tasks. This is only available for my viewers, so don't miss out. To quickly recap, make your profile and title stand out, ask for reviews, reply quickly, optimize your descriptions with the right keywords, and use paid promotions strategically. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.